Hello friends, this is Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for the day 5th of August 2022. In our yesterday's video, we had mentioned that the most important resistance zone that we are finding out is 17,380 to that of 17,420, above which we have 17,450 as a minor resistance. And if we can take out this particular 17,450, we could march towards 17,750. So it so happened on Thursday that we had seen a test of 17,450. However, on the hourly chart, if we were to look at this particular candle, we couldn't sustain major moves above 17,450. So that minor resistance has actually pushed the prices steeper down towards the major support zone that we have been holding on for the entire week, that is around 17,220. It came down drastically with heavy volumes and it tested at around 17,200 levels, and it marched forward once again back to square towards the resistance zone of 17,380 to that of 17,450. So if you were to look at the entire price structure from this particular Monday's move, it has been moving sideways to consolidation mode. Okay, so as noted in last week's video that this is holding on to be 17,220 is holding on to be a very strong support, and 17,380 to that of 17,420 turns out to be a very tough resistance zone. So today is entirely on the RBI action. So we are looking out for either way swing to happen. So basically, we need to get out of this particular range, that is at 17,200 or above 17,420 on closing basis. So this is what we are looking out for in this Friday's move. Unless and until we get a decisive breakout or breakdown of this particular zone, you're not going to move forward with the price structure. So looking at the entire bullish structure that is in place, we can say that this is a kind of consolidation that has happened. Now, depending on the volumes and the price action post the event today, we will get a decisive breakout either on the upside or the downside in today's trading session. Moving to the Bank Nifty, which is more crucial than that of Nifty with today's event. So if we were to look at it, we were anticipating actually a test of 38,300 on the upside, wherein we will touch on this particular higher end of this particular channel, and we were looking out for a sell-off from that particular resistance zone. It so happened that the resistance is not even tested. The prices actually moved down and tested onto the support of this particular trend line. So it will be interesting to watch out for how the price structure is going to take a shape post this particular day's event. Are we going to break down this particular channel on the downside, or are we going to go all the way towards the top of this particular channel somewhere around 38,500 to 38,600 levels? So it's going to be a very, very interesting day post the RBI event, and based on which side it's going to take, we will have a decisive move for the next week. So it's going to be a make or break day for both the Nifty as well as the Bank Nifty, more particularly for the Bank Nifty. Moving with the long short model that we have created for both Nifty and Bank Nifty. Just wanted to let you know that this is just a model, and trading is your responsibility based on this particular model. So it's purely based for education purpose only. So as per this particular model, we have been trending on the upside, and the current stop loss has been revised for this particular Nifty at 17,120 on the upside, while the Bank Nifty stop loss for the longs that we have entered stands at 37,392. So this is it for the day, and we hope to get back to you once the event is complete. We are going to get a major breakout or breakdown post this particular event. So stay tuned on Monday, and we'll get back to you with more price updates, how this is turning out to be. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay connected.